Is your car losing power, emitting unusual smoke, or consuming excessive oil? This could be due to a problem with the engine valves. Today, I'll explain what happens when they fail, how to identify the issue, and what you can do to fix it before the damage gets worse. Engine valves regulate the intake of air and fuel, as well as the expulsion of exhaust gases. If the valves fail, the engine loses efficiency, leading to problems such as power loss, abnormal noises, or even severe engine damage if not addressed in time. Causes: 1. Natural wear and tear. Over time, valves and their components wear down due to constant heat and friction. 2. Improper valve adjustment. If the valves are not correctly calibrated, they can be too tight or too loose, affecting engine performance. 3. Carbon buildup. Carbon deposits on the valves can prevent proper sealing, reducing compression and causing engine misfires. 4. Overheating damage. Excessive heat can deform the valves or cause them to lose their original shape. 5. Broken or damaged valve seats. If the valve seats are in poor condition, the valves will not seal properly, leading to compression leaks. 6. Valve spring issues. If a valve spring breaks or loses tension, the valve won't function properly, disrupting the engine cycle. Diagnosis: 1. Compression test. Use a pressure gauge to measure the compression in each cylinder. Low compression in one or more cylinders could indicate a damaged or leaking valve. 2. Leak down test. Perform a cylinder leak down test to check if air is escaping through the valves. 3. Engine scan. Connect an OBD2 scanner to detect error codes related to engine performance, such as misfires. 4. Visual inspection, disassembly. If a serious issue is suspected, remove the cylinder head cover and inspect the condition of the valves, springs, and seats. 5. Listening for abnormal noises. Listen for knocking or clicking sounds, which could indicate a misadjusted or damaged valve. Solutions: 1. Valve clearance adjustment. If the valves are out of adjustment, set their clearance according to the manufacturer's specifications. 2. Carbon buildup cleaning. Use a valve cleaner or take your car to a professional service for a thorough cleaning. 3. Replacement of damaged components. If the valves, springs, or seats are damaged, they need to be replaced. Use high-quality parts to ensure proper operation. 4. Valve seat resurfacing. If the seats are worn out, they can be resurfaced to restore proper sealing. 5. Cooling system inspection. If the valves were damaged due to overheating, check the cooling system to prevent the problem from happening again. Additional tips: 1. Regular maintenance. Perform timely oil and filter changes to prevent residue buildup on the valves. 2. Use high-quality fuel. Good quality fuel helps reduce carbon deposits. 3. Avoid overheating. Monitor engine temperature and ensure the cooling system is working properly. 4. Periodic inspections. Schedule regular checkups to adjust the valves as needed. 5. Avoid overworking the engine. Driving aggressively or constantly at high RPMs can accelerate valve wear. If this video helped you understand engine valve failures better, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions or experiences in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. We're here to help you take care of your vehicle.